Good morning, gorgeous. Well, it's morning somewhere in the world. That's not a way to start a YouTube video. Did you know that there are multiple ways that you can make money on Twitch? Well, in this video, we're gonna go through 5 easy ways that you can monetize your Twitch channel so that you can bring in different forms of income and go full-time on Twitch. Well, let's get to it. Firstly, before going to the 5 easy ways to make money on Twitch, I want to say if you're new here, my name is Slojo. Welcome to my channel where I'm dedicated to helping you build your kingdom on YouTube and Twitch. The first and easiest way in which you can make money on your Twitch channel is through donations. Now, if you haven't set up a donations option on your Twitch channel, I have an easy guide which is just up here, which will help you add the donations button to your Twitch channel and to set it up as well. The most important thing to note is that donations are probably better than subscriptions. You see, because when people subscribe when people subscribe to your channel, Twitch is going to take a 50% cut of that, which means you're probably making $2.50, and you still need to reach your payout, which is going to be $100 before you even get the money. So donations is an amazing alternative because firstly, you're going to get the full amount. It's going to be put into your PayPal straight away. And let's say you have a friend that wants to support you, you're not Twitch affiliated yet. Well, guess what? They can donate to you. You don't need to be a Twitch affiliate to receive donations. So make sure you check out that guide on how to set it up and how to add it to your Twitch channel, especially if using Streamlabs OBS. It couldn't be easier. And in this video, I'll show you how. The second way in which you can easily make money on your Twitch channel is through Ko-Fi. Ko-Fi is an amazing platform which you can just have your profile on, showcase some of the work. It's kind of like a social media platform, but essentially people would donate coffee to you. Some people call it coffee, I call it Ko-Fi. But it's essentially a way for people to support you, support your channel, support what you're doing, and you can link that in the same way as you've linked your donations. You can even say, hey, if you want to support this channel, you can buy me a coffee, and you can set an amount, or people can give a custom amount as well. The amazing thing about Ko-Fi is it's a platform for people to really show their support very easily. They can simply buy you a coffee, show you that they support you, that they love you, that they're willing to help you go all in. And in the same way, you can also create exclusive content on Ko-Fi for people who have bought you coffee as well. The third way to easily make money on your Twitch channel is through TeeSpring. Well, if you haven't heard of TeeSpring, it is a way for you to sell merchandise. You can even create and design your own merchandise. So this is amazing if you have a brand already and a look and feel, maybe a logo, maybe a few designs, you've set up your stream overlays, and now you want to convert that onto maybe a hoodie, maybe onto a pair of pants, maybe a shirt, maybe a cap, maybe a cell phone accessory. The options are endless. So here you can take what you've already created and now upload it to a platform where it's where you can so easily put it on merchandise and then sell it and make a commission off of it. It's an easy way to monetize your Twitch channel. Also, it's an easy way for your viewers to support your channel and get something tangible in return. And I think that's really important because a lot of times people support your channel and all they get in return is acknowledgement. This time, by supporting your channel, they get to wear your brand, they get to advertise your brand as well and show that support. So I think that's definitely an amazing alternative to subscriptions. Hey guys, if this content is adding value to you and opening up your eyes to make different forms of revenue, why not hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we can connect in the comments below on your favorite method of monetizing your Twitch channel. Well, let me know. The fourth and easy way to make money through your Twitch channel is through Amazon affiliate links. Well, maybe Amazon is not really accessible in your country, but you can definitely utilize affiliate links. So an easy way to do this is to showcase your computer specs. Sometimes people are watching your stream and they're like, damn, that guy sounds sexy. And they're like, what microphone do you use? Well, you could have a list of all the PC components that you use and have an affiliate link that links out to that product, because they're already seeing you doing pretty much a live product review. They're hearing what you sound like. They can see what you look like through, if you're using a web camera or using a DSLR camera. You might as well link out to it, and let's say they end up purchasing that, you will get a commission on that. And hey, even if they don't purchase that and they continue through your link shopping around like, hey, Jimmy's birthday is coming up, let me buy him a cookbook because I know he's only like 7 years old, but your boy's going to have to learn to cook soon. Well, hey, no matter, it tracks what they've bought when the start session. So let's say they've clicked on your link and it landed them by a graphics card. Damn, who can buy a 3090 right now? Definitely not me here in South Africa. It's like 40,000 Rand. It's insane. But what I can afford is an animation book. It's just like $7, but I've already clicked on your link. Now navigate there. You will still get commission on that because you started a session through that affiliate link and it tracks it. So definitely have a look into affiliate links because there's an amazing option for a passive income through that. The fifth and final way which you can make money, which I recommend doing towards the end of the first 4 steps, is through getting a sponsorship or branded sponsorship on your channel. Now, this is something that I wouldn't say is easy, but it's easy because as your channel naturally grows, as it expands, as you grow an audience, as you build your tribe up, you then build a connection with them and you'll build a sense of trust with them. By this time, brands will reach out to you and pay you for sponsorships, whether it be using their equipment or wearing their merchandise. And this is a topic that I'm not too much of an expert on. I could recommend a video by Alpha Gaming, which I will link up here or link it in the description, where he will go more in depth on sponsorships. But hey, that is the 5th and easy way to make money through your Twitch channel. There you have it. As you see, you do not need to be a Twitch affiliate or partnered with Twitch to make money through your channel. There are so many alternative ways, and if you may be struggling with this or wondering how you can set these up, maybe connect with me in the comments below and I'll try my best to help you out to answer every question that you have. And I think it's amazing that there are these alternative options for you to make money and not have to rely on Twitch or Twitch taking a cut, or to even compound this money above the subscriptions and the cheers and the income you're making through Twitch. The options are endless, and yeah, I believe in you guys. But hey, if this video is helpful to you, why not hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for future content that's going to continue to add value to you, add value to your streams and your channel. Well, until then guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Keep making money.